Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to resize SVG files online without losing quality. If you have an SVG file and want to resize it, as you can see here, we have an SVG file and we want to resize it. All we need is Canva. Open Canva online and log in. Once Canva is ready, right-click your SVG file, click Open With, then browse and select Canva. The file will open and upload to Canva automatically. To resize it, we simply upload the file and open it in Canva, then go into the editor. Once we are in the editor, we can start resizing. We can make it bigger or adjust it however we like. When we are happy with the size, we click Share and then click Download. We can also adjust the size here by dragging to make it smaller or bigger, depending on what we need. Once we are happy with the size, we can go ahead and download the SVG file. This method lets us resize SVG files using Canva without needing any advanced design software. We simply upload the file, change the scale, and export it while keeping it sharp and high quality. And that's it. Now we know how to resize SVG files online using Canva.